To do panels in 30 seconds or less per panel.
That's what it is, right?
20 panels, 10 minutes or less.
10 minutes or less.
And it shouldn't take you any longer, especially with me and Mr. Francis.
Pretty much. So, Mike, what happens is...
I feel that we can do these in 6 minutes.
Definitely. 2 songs. I mean, when we're...
Literally.
Metering it by 2 songs. So, Mike, there's a couple different things we do here when we get up on a roof, right? We're looking at these gutters.
Yes, they do have some dirt runoff. It's very dusty on this back end. So, beautiful view out today.
It's very beautiful.
Yeah. Out here in Oceanside.
Nothing under those solar panels.
We've been running into a lot of bird proofing lately.
Extreme amounts of poop.
Yeah, so that is one of the main things we're out checking for, especially in areas like this.
Checking wires and whatnot, making sure everything's okay. Little visual inspection.
We have some light over there and on the crown, as you can see. Maybe a few spikes.
Yeah, a little bit.
Nothing crazy, but
probably will suggest some spikes.
Change, exactly.
Yeah. We put some spikes on this. I bet that would change that. It's about 120. Got $75 right there. All right, let's get to work. All right, so what we do here is we got these reels. So they're really cool. Red and black, just like Tucker. All right, that's that. Clean those up.
It's about 5 minutes.
About 5 minutes. We're not even done with the second song. Yeah, pretty much. All the time, every time.
It's similar to when Thor holds the hammer.
Similar to when Thor
pulls in my hand.
Right.
You know what I mean?
It's powerful. The after rinse is the most important part here.
It really is.
You know, we're cleansing it off and getting all that stuff off of there. But as you can see here, we got some beautiful panels.
You just see the drops blowing off.
So beautiful.
Can you see it?
So beautiful. No soaps, no chemicals, no bleaches, no cleaning agents, nothing like that. We use inline filters only from pH 7. The only type of filters we use are filters from pH 7. Oh boy. this right here.
So on the next one, we'll go quote them and then.
I don't know.
Hold on, I'm going off the notes. Good.
You're right. I feel you. I know what you're about to say, but I don't even know. Like, we're about to find out. I guess we.
That's what I'm saying. Whatever.
Yeah.
I sent the videos to the Dropbox of the stuff I got you doing the paint scraping and all that. So if you can ever bring that up for, cause that was good stuff.
It really was.
Yeah.
Hold on. Sorry, I left you in the van. My bad. Got great footage, though.
Well, guys.
Left him in the van.